Okay, so first of all, looking at the 2002 question, and your values for V1 and V2 are correct. And just to note, V1 was velocity of ball A after the collision, and V2 was the velocity of ball B. And then what you did in this question was B went on to hit C. So there was no real need for you to go and calculate V1. So just to kind of watch that, you can be a time wasting activity to calculate both of them. Only calculate the one you need, basically. But both of them are correct anyway. Okay, so then what you did was V2, ball B went on and collided with ball C. Okay, and you were calculating, your method is correct. You were calculating the velocity of V1 using your conservation momentum formula here. And once you got that, then you were subbing that into your coefficient of restitution formula. And that was going to give you an equation in terms of V, which you solved. But your value was wrong, but your method is right, but it's just small mistakes. So if you just look here, so I think this is probably where you went first and then you realize that you did something wrong. But when you're calculating V1, this comes across and gets subtracted, okay? So what should be is this should be minus 5u over 8 plus EU plus u over 2. So your V1 should be equal to EU plus u over 2 minus 5u over 8. You'd still get your common denominator of 8. That'd be multiplied by 4 EU plus 4u minus 5u. So you'd get 4 EU minus 5u over 8 for your V1. So your signs are wrong here, and this is incorrect. Then when you went on to do your minus E formula, okay, so you have, just to note, so in our minus E formula we had minus E equals, all right, V2 5u minus 8 over V1, sorry, 4EU minus 5u over 8 all over minus EU plus u. Okay, so this is what you wrote. Okay, Barm, I fixed up this here. Okay, what that is that's 0 minus that. Okay, so it really is V2 minus V1. So what happens is you bring that up here and multiply. So you get minus E over 1 times minus EU. Now that minus is multiplied by both of those. So just be careful. You can leave your U there plus all over 2 equals common denominator there, all over 8. So you get 5U minus 4 EU. And minus by minus is going to give us plus 5u. Okay, and here what's going to happen is that minus and that minus will make a plus. So what you get is EU squared plus u squared all over 2 equals 10u minus 4eu all over 8. And then you can get rid of your fractions. Hope that kind of makes it a little bit more sense. That'll give you back your correct answer, basically your correct equation. But it's just two things, because this sign here would have ended up being wrong in yours, and it was purely because of this here following through, I think. So just be careful with your signs. They're both signs mistakes, okay? So just be careful with them.